In this video, we're going to cover how to use comps on Pelago. On the left side, we see a map of all the comps. The orange point is the subject property, the green points are Pelago's choices, and you can think of the gray points as honorable mentions. This first comp is in white right now because we're looking at it on the right side over here. We can navigate through these comps by clicking on the map or by using these arrows over here. If we see a comp that we don't like, we can click thumbs down to keep it out of our list. Or if we find a comp that we do like that's not included, we can click thumbs up to add it back to the list. As we go through the comps, we'll notice that Pelago includes two numbers, the sales price itself and something that Pelago calls the adjusted value. Now, because the adjusted value is in blue, we can click on it to see more information. The adjusted value takes the sales price of the comp and makes adjustments for the differences between it and the subject property and ultimately arrives at an adjusted value. You can think of the adjusted value as, what does this comp say my house is worth? Using these adjusted values, Pelago creates the Pelago ARV. Specifically, beneath each adjusted value is a percentage, which shows the percentage of the ARV. This is more for reference, just so you know how Pelago arrives at its numbers. In either case, you can always change the comp search by clicking Edit Comp Search, or change the after repair value estimate itself by changing the orange number right here. In many cases, you might have a property where you know you're going to change something about the property. You're thinking, none of these comps make any sense because you're going to add a bathroom or finish some square footage. You can make note of these changes by clicking on the Action menu on the right, and then clicking Edit Structure. On the right side, where it says Improve Structure, is where we note the final version of the property. So, for example, if we're planning to add another 3/4 bathroom, we would type 2.5 on the right side. If we click Save Structure, Pelago will look for new comps and estimate a new ARV based on those new structure details. If we click Save New ARV and Comps, we'll see our changes reflected on Pelago. We'll see the subject property show that 2.5 bathroom change, and if we click on our adjusted values, we'll see those changes reflected as well.